Hey, welcome back to This Old Disheveled Shop. Yep, I'm Dan Disheveled. Anyways, yeah, shop's all torn up again. It started off as a simple idea of a project. Uh, Something I wanted to do is kind of take this shop and make it so that it's got a better flow to it. Because the way things are right now, when I'm building like an airplane or something, uh, all of my tools are held in a tool chest that's over there in the far corner. And so, like, if I need a screwdriver or a ball driver or there's some other kind of wrench or something like that, I got to go over there to get it. And then I come back, and then I realize, oh, I got the wrong size. So then I got to go back there again and get it. And then I come back, and then I go, oh, yeah, I forgot. I also need to get my X-Acto knife. Oh yeah, back forth all day long. And that's just one of the things. And so what I decided was I wanted to go ahead and put up some more pegboard in this shop so that I can kind of surround the entire shop with tools. Now I've got duplicates and multiplicates of many of my tools. So it's not going to be a big deal to be kind of like putting, a set of wrenches over here as well as the ones that are over there, and maybe a set over here too. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. But the other thing that I wanted to kind of just check in with you real quick is it's been a while since I've been able to sit down and do a video. The reason why is because I haven't been messing with the airplanes very much. I haven't been flying them. I haven't been building them because I've had a lot of other projects. And so when those kind of things come up, I got to put my modeling aside and do them. And there's been repairs on the house I've had to take care of. We are into winter, and fall is always busy because that creates a whole bunch of things. Everything we have needs to be winterized in one way or another. So we have trailer, we have the sprinkler system in the yard, the garden beds there's things that need to be done to them. And so those kind of keep me busy. And so if I'm not able to work on my model airplanes, I really don't have anything to show you or report to you. I know, it's kind of a vicious circle, but one of these days maybe I'll get a hold of it and figure it out. But I did want to say, I got some comments on some of my other videos, and people were saying, hey, it's been a while since we've seen you and stuff like that. And I want to say, that's really cool. That makes me feel really good when I get that kind of thing. You care how I'm doing if you haven't heard from me in a while, and I really appreciate that. So, wow, keep doing that. I like it. Anyways, yeah, so the shop. Working right now, as you can see, everything is a mess. It's kind of like a Chinese tile puzzle. You have to move parts over in one place so that you have room to work on something else. This is a redo. We're adding a pegboard to the backdrop back here above the chest of drawers that has a lot of parts in it. And another thing I'm kind of doing out here is I'm trying to, get rid of some of the junk. Because I figured it out. I've got like 25, 30 years worth of junk in here. Stuff that I put in drawers thinking, oh, I'll use that someday. And you never come back to it. And it's like, well, yeah. So we got to get rid of that. But I guess that's kind of all part of why I wanted to get this video out to you today. Just to let you know, everything's going well. I am going to get back into it here pretty quick as soon as I get these things figured out. Mostly just getting the shop figured out, and then of course finishing up my yard work for the year before it snows. Maybe I should just say screw it, let it snow and just go on, because I'll be in here when it's snowing. It'll be great, right? So anyhow, just wanted to check in with you and just let you know that things are going okay. I've got several topics I want to be talking about here pretty shortly. We should have the de Havilland beaver build going on this table here once all this stuff goes away. And yeah, the good times are gonna roll. Oh, but wait, there is one thing. I did want to share with you that something that has happened between my last video and now is Mark and I took the Spacewalker 2 out for a flight. And this is what it looked like. The Spacewalker 2 is a beautiful, easy flying bird. I really wasn't worried about it. The only thing that I had to do is just kind of update a few parts in it. The engine had a fuel leak because the block where the carburetor mounted to it kind of got old and was leaking. So anyways, but was able to get it up, fly it around, had a good flight on it. It's a pretty easy plane. It was a kind of a boring kind of maiden on it again. It wasn't really a maiden because, well, I feel like every time you put a new radio in there, it's like a new maiden because you're going to be retrimming it. So, but it flew very well and I was very happy with it. I've got a couple things I want to do to fix it up further because there's some little detail things, and I'll show you those when I get it out and go back to work on it again. But until next time and until the next video, thank you so much for your support and your interest in reaching out to me and contacting me to find out how things are going. I'm doing great, so don't worry. I will be back with more videos. So take care, and we'll see you again.
Well, that was boring.
Well, I need some trim.
Okay.
I'm going to turn to the left.
Need help?
Okay, ready? Oh my God.